Hey students, I just wanted to take a minute and teach you how to kind of navigate our master file for internship class. And so right now I'm using a product called Screencast-O-Matic. So it's very easy, it's free. I just kind of recommend it if you need one. And so I'm going to go directly to our Cons 49515 course and kind of just talk through it. So what I've asked you to do is download a template with all of our assignments, and you're going to create those assignments in Word, and then you're going to save the link on your template, and then bring your master template over to here. So let's just kind of look at what the master template looks like, okay? So as you can see, I'm opening this up right now. I right-clicked with my mouse, opened it up, and this is all of the assignments that we have, how many points, and what day they're due. So this would be a good thing just to go ahead and highlight and put in your calendar so you've got it. And here's a spot for the link. So let's go off into Word, and let me just create a new document. New, and I'll say testing 1, 2, and then I need to share this. So I need to save it and get a link to it. So I'm going to save it to my OneDrive with Ohio University, and this document's going to be test. Okay, and you can see what it's doing. I'm not pressing any buttons right now, just watching. And so it says who can view. And anyone would be anyone. And I need to make sure whatever I put that I do this allow editing if you guys are going to edit. Some of you have gone in and not had readable but not editable assignments. So make sure that you click there, and then you're going to apply, and you're going to send it to me. Okay, so you're going to send that to me, and then, oh, there's my daughter. Send it to her. And so then I'm going to do a copy link, and there's that link. Okay, so then I can take that link, and to copy that, I just click the word copy. I head out and head over to my master document, which I have open, and I would paste it right there. And I right click, hit paste. Okay, so I'm going to take that out, and that's how you do your master template for all your assignments. Right here I have something called the live syllabus, and you're going to like this. I think you're going to like this, but I just showed you what all the assignments were, but this particular thing shows you basically my course syllabus, and in addition to that has, oops, the live, did I hit the right one? Okay, I'm going to go out of that. Just give me 2 seconds. And I'm going to go out of our master links. So when I said this is yours, you're going to download this document. This was your every assignment that's due. You're putting your link here. You're sharing this with me. So you're going to share this with me. And this is going to be yours. So you want to right click and hit or just go over here to File and do Save As and Save for You so that you have that, okay? So that's your master template for all assignments, okay? Now we have the master template for all assignments. I had 2 of them open, sorry. And now here it opened, I have your journal. So here are all your journal entries that you have for the whole entire semester written. The white area is for you to respond, whatever it is that you're going to do, and you're going to copy that, and then you're going to paste it into our journal, our shared journal. Okay, so if you haven't taken a look at that, we have a shared journal, and it's got some of yours responses already. So each week you're going to just do yours, save it, and then copy that piece and paste it into the journal where all of your classmates can read it. And then you're going to respond to 3 other classmates as part of your assignment. All right, so if I go back to the master document and go right here to the link, open link. So I right click to open the link for our syllabus. Let's make sure that the syllabus has, okay, so the syllabus does not have the schedule in it. I must have accidentally taken it out, so I will make sure I go back and add that. But let's look right here, and hopefully this one has it. And this time I just double clicked to open it. Seems like it's not working though. So I right clicked again. And here are the assignments. So week 1, you can see that you had to complete this little link. And so if you right click there, it'll say open link, and you can open it. Right here for assignment 2 is our SMART goals. And you're going to fill those out, and then you're going to set up a meeting with me. Okay, so that's an important part. And then on down, you'll see each assignment, and it's highlighted, so you can use, a lot of them have templates, so just feel free to use the template that I've included. Again, open, save as, it's yours, then you're going to share your link with me. All right? I don't think that's too terribly difficult, but that's what we've got there. I talked about your personal journal, which is right down here. This is the one we opened up, and it's yours, and it just has one option. But this one right here is the journal for our whole entire class. All right, so everybody will be posting here. So you'll post in your normal, cut, and then paste right in here. And so today we've got Tyler and Kaylee have already been in here. You'll see pictures, Laura's in there, and now Catherine is in there. So everybody is making their way through this this document right now. All right, so welcome everybody. I think we've got one more person to post and we'll be good to go. Okay, so is there anything else? All right, just go ahead and connect with me to schedule a meeting. I know Kaylee needs an evening meeting. If you need an evening meeting, send me a text and we'll get one set up. And Kaylee, I'll be back in touch with you to fix that. Thank you, everybody. Good luck this semester.